Proven Instagram marketing strategies to try. Hey there, everyone. Marketing your business online successfully can take a couple years of trial and error while you develop a series of strategies that work for you. This can be a big turnoff for anyone. So we've decided to gift you a collection of proven Instagram marketing strategies so you do it right from the very start. Use hashtags to categorize your posts. You can use hashtags to make it easier for people to find your content under certain categories beyond your basic niche keywords. This strategy goes beyond using keywords that are related to your niche and product as hashtags, like we explained during the very first lessons. What you'll do is to include a combination of general hashtags, branded hashtags that you can borrow from competitor accounts in your niche with larger followings, alongside your base and related hashtags. This will help you to basically place your content under a content category when people use those hashtags to search content. Run contests and giveaways. Running giveaways on your account might be the easiest and quickest way to get a lot of new followers and engagement. All you have to do is to announce a prize that you'll reward to a random user. For a chance to win, people have to follow your account, like the post where you announce the giveaway, and share it. You can run this campaign for several days, and in the meanwhile, you'll get tons of participants following your account, commenting on your posts, and sharing your content. This will in turn increase the relevance of your account. Post at the right times. Believe it or not, there are specific times when Instagram users are the most active. In general, this can be in between off-work hours during weekdays. But it's been determined that peak activity on Instagram happens from Mondays through Thursdays at any time except the hours between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. To determine the right time to post, take a look at your audience insights and see where the majority of your followers are from. You can use their time zone to determine the best times to schedule and post your content. Interact with followers. People will become emotionally connected to your brand or business if you start interacting with them. All you have to do is to reply to their comments or to like nice comments. This will help you to build a stronger, more reciprocal customer relationship, and that will cause customers to become repeat clients or even brand ambassadors down the line. Share user-generated content. Another way to make your followers go crazy about your brand is to share their own content. Not pictures from their accounts and such, but content that they create for your brand. That's called user-generated content. And all you have to do is to encourage followers to create content that is focused on your brand, products, or businesses. This is quite easy because you can simply ask people to take a picture showcasing one or some of your products and to tag your account in the post. For example, if you sell clothes, you can ask users to take a picture where they're wearing one of your clothes. You can also leverage certain hashtags by instructing people to use a hashtag in their caption. In fact, user-generated content is a great way to create a branded hashtag of your own, as well as to raise awareness about the hashtag. Instagram users love when brands ask them to generate content for them, because that's a great way to generate more views and followers for their own accounts. Hijack trending topics. You can leverage the popularity of trending topics and viral content when it's fresh. For example, you can hijack a holiday like the National Ice Cream Day by creating a branded post about the holiday where you include the National Ice Cream Day hashtag in the caption. This strategy works with viral news, local events, and national trends. Partner with influencers. A great way to grow your Instagram presence and drive more results is by partnering with influencers. Because Instagram influencers have access to large, engaged audiences, you can leverage their popularity to promote your stuff. To give you an example, a single shout-out by an influencer with thousands of followers can help you generate hundreds if not thousands of unique sales.